If you haven't seen this stunning home, then you'll want to by the end of this video. Welcome to number 22, a stunning 5/6 double bedroom family home based on the outskirts of Barnstaple town centre. The property has also been successfully rented out as a B&B and has made brilliant incomes over the last 2 years. Now you've had your sneak peek of this stunning family home or business opportunity, and if you'd like to see it in person, then give us a call on 01271 373 404 and we'd love to show you soon.